Different classifications of non-traditional machining based on source of energy are A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical and electrochemical, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Material in thermal machining is removed by which of the following means? A. Vaporization, B. Melting, C. Electroplating, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Sources used in thermal machining are A. Ions, B. Plasma, C. Electrons, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Surface defects that may be occurred during thermal machining are A. Microcracking, B. Heat-affected zones, C. Striations, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. In chemical machining is material removal takes by A. Chemical reaction, B. Erosion, C. Electron removal, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is chemical reaction. In mechanical machining material is removed by A. Erosion, B. Corrosion, C. Abrasion, D. Vaporization. The correct answer is erosion. Vacuum is the machining medium for A. LBM, B. WJM, C. EBM, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is LBM. Which of the following is an example of hybrid machining? A. Ultrasonic machining, B. Electron beam machining, C. Ultrasonic assisted electrochemical machining, D. Laser beam machining. The correct answer is ultrasonic assisted electrochemical machining. Which of the following process comes under mechanical machining? A. USM, B. EDM, C. LBM, D. PAM. The correct answer is USM.